You need electrons for energy. It's called the electron transport chain in mitochondria. It generates adenosine triphosphate, or ATP. It's the energy molecule in the body. I tell athletes that before an event, stand 15 minutes in your bare feet on the grass, and you will charge up your electron stores. And should you fall down, and athletes fall down, you will not have inflammation at all.
Even Major League Baseball players are giving earthing a try.
Now, Matt, what are we going to be doing today? You want to just give a little overview?
Well, you guys look a little pale,
Yeah.
and maybe lack of energy. So we're going to try to get some natural earth energy here. If you could think about the last time you were barefoot, like in nature, it probably wasn't very recently, you know?
Can you walk us through it? What is the, let's earth.
Yeah,
What is my first step?
take the shoes off. Take the shoes off.